Hey y'all, welcome back. Look here. This is the OC11, Operation 11 Charlie's skid steer. We won the raffle the other day. I still can't believe it. My second truck that's made for Operation 11. And it goes right there with the Max I got. Now we got this. Came with the remote. Chunkie's Customz is the one that 3D printed it and built it for him. Got that. Extra skewed. Oh, I forgot the buckets. 1 second. And we're back. There's the front of it. We can either do that or the forklift. It's awesome. It's got a little servo right there. That locks it in place. It locks it right in. Door opens. Well, this thing is slick. It's got a strobe light. It's got a little bit of weight to it too. But ain't that awesome? Thanks to Jim's Hobbies for meeting up with me so I can get it. But it still blows me away how lucky I get with these guys. I can't win the lottery, but we can win RC cars. There's the executioner. Slowly getting it built. Kind of hard with no instructions. I only know where half the bolts go for the Mias axles. I've been trying to figure it out. And figure out where their bolt goes on there. Instructions are nice. But I would still say Jim's went together a little bit easier. I don't know if it's less parts or something. But that one was a little bit simpler than that one. You have to make sure if you're twisting in the 3D printing, make sure you put some on your bolt, like grease or cow udder butter or something. Because they're not threaded and they do not like going in some of that 3D printed stuff. So, but yeah, we ain't here for that. We're here for this. Yeah, he also gave me an extra track just in case, a pallet. So, we'll have a running video of it soon enough. Thanks, guys.